feeder are key for a fast and high-quality placement. The Smart Feeder E uses SIPLACE high-end technology for a precise and reliable component supply. Precision drives and special tape guides inside the feeder guarantee an extremely precise, low-maintenance component delivery. Discover non-stop production with our unmatched plug-and-play feature. Just change feeder during placement and save time during changeover and production runs. SIPLACE Smart Feeder E increases performance and quality.